Hey guys, it's Allie, and today I went ahead and tried out the ColourPop collab with RAWBEAUTYKRISTI. I am a little bit of a newer follower of Kristi's, and by new, I want to say maybe like a couple of years. I know she's been on YouTube like forever, and she has been wanting to do a collab with ColourPop for the longest time, so it finally came true. She also is somebody who originally started, I believe, as like a trying to conceive channel on YouTube and then branched out into RAWBEAUTYKRISTI. She is someone who has openly spoken out about like infertility struggles and things like that, and she's finally pregnant after I want to say 11 years of infertility. Like, my heart. So besides the fact that I just have a soft spot for her in my heart because of that, and being able to witness the miracle that she's experiencing right now, I'm so grateful that she's sharing that with all of us. I don't know, I feel like there's a connection just because of that. Well, not just because of that, just because I feel like she's just open and honest and so personable and relatable. And but anyways, so this is her ColourPop collab. I went ahead and got the entire collection. I'm gonna go ahead and break down what the collection actually includes. The entire collection is, I think it values at $87. It does go for $82. From my understanding, everything is currently sold out, I believe, but I think they're going to be doing a restock. So in this collection, you get an eyeshadow palette, you get 4 Super Shock shadows, you get 3 gel liners, and 2 luxe glosses. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette does go for $20 on its own. The luxe glosses are $9 each. The Super Shock shadows are $7 each, and as a bundle, you can get it for $28. Simple math, I can do that. The gel liners are also $7 each. You can also get that as a bundle for $21. Again, simple math. Who's proud of me? They also do have like a woodland bound, which is a shadow and the liners. This is a look that I came up with today just to try things out. I'm so excited to try out more. Let me know if you guys want to see other looks as well. So if you want to go ahead and see what I used to actually get this look, just keep on watching. And yeah. All right guys, so I got this in the mail today. I'm so excited. This is the ColourPop RAWBEAUTYKRISTI collab. For those of you who don't know who she is, I highly encourage you to check her out. Without further ado, here we go. We had a little card. It says thanks a latte by ColourPop. And yes, I purchased the entire collection, so I'm so excited. Let's open it up. So cute. So cute. All right, so with the collection you get 3 gel liners, which I love the formula of the ColourPop gel liners. 4 Super Shock shadows. I do like the formula. It's a little bit unique, a little bit different, but so she came out with 4 of them. We have 2 luxe glosses, and I actually have not used this formula before. We will get to the packaging in a second, but guys, how adorable. And of course, we have the eyeshadow palette, which is one of the things I was most excited about, is At First Sight. And it took me a while. At first I'm like, but it's like At First Sight. Here we go. So this is the At First Sight. So it's RAWBEAUTYKRISTI x ColourPop, and you can see there's like mushrooms. The whole theme is the Pacific Northwest, which is where she lives. You see like the wilderness, the mushrooms, the forest, everything like that. So super cute. I was so excited for this. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my look, and then we'll get into the details. My eyes are already primed. I have it primed with my Alamar Cosmetics Pero Primero primer. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my eye look. How beautiful are these colors? I am so excited. I love like the earthy tones. I feel like it's the right amount of color without being like unwearable. Obviously you can wear whatever you want if you want to be bold and colorful and this and that, but I feel like this is a nice way of introducing color into your look without being too over the top. So you have those like browns, you have those earth tones, you have those jewel tones in there. It's just so beautiful. Now the only issue I'm having is, what kind of look do I want to go for today? I don't know if I want like the greens, the earthy tones, if I want to go in with a little bit of like a berry tone, or yellow, because those yellows just call my name. I do wish that we did have a mirror. I'm sure maybe the reason why we didn't was because of like cost reasons. That's what I'm assuming. I don't know, but it's still so adorable. All right, so I'm gonna go in with Puffball, which is this brown color right here. That blends out so beautifully. It's like so effortless. Now I'm gonna go in with chanterelle. I believe that's how you say it. I think that's also a type of mushroom. I just can't help myself. I just see those yellows and I just wanna put them all over my eyelids. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on. That's so pretty. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Homegrown, which is like this deeper brown, this one. Now, a lot of the times I try to use like as many colors as possible just to show you guys, but I don't wanna go too crazy. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my lower lash line as well. I really wanted to try out the greens, but honestly, I wanna kind of just stick with this. So I'm taking that same Homegrown color, putting it just on my lower lash line. I want to use one of these Super Shock shadows. I'm debating between Olympic and Mycelium. Let me just swatch those out real quick. I want to just kind of like tap those on top. Oh my gosh, they feel so good. So this one is Mycelium. Right there. Oh, I love that. Love that. Olympic is this one. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna go with Mycelium. I feel like it just goes with like the yellow and stuff. Maybe I'll put a little bit of that on my inner corner. Real quick, let me just swatch the other two for you. This is like a moss. So beautiful. The camera is like not even doing it justice. And the last one is Campfire. That's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go with Mycelium to put that on the lid. And just tap, tap, tap. Can you guys see how sparkly that is? It's so pretty. So it did, I feel like, cover up a little bit of that yellow that I was going for, but I don't mind. That sparkle is beautiful. Obsessed. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna take a little bit more of a precise brush and go in with, what is this? Olympic, I think, and just go in with my inner corner. These definitely work better with your fingers, but I'm trying to get like it more precise. That is stunning. We did the Super Shock shadows, we have the eyeliners, and I did push down a little bit too hard on the marigold color, which I'm so upset with myself for doing that. I want to use a little bit of that marigold. Let me see if I can fix it or if I completely ruined it. I'm so sad about that. I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. The ColourPop gel liners are so creamy. They go on so effortlessly and they do not bother my sensitive eyes. So if you have not tried them yet, highly recommend. That's fun. That's a little different. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the woodsy color on my lash line. Just a little bit. I'm just gonna like flick that out a little bit. Not necessarily a wing, but like a baby wing. And I'm gonna actually bring that to the outer corner down here. Just like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, just a little baby wing, and let's just put a little bit on the outer corner down here, like I did on the other side. So I went ahead and did my mascara. I love it. I love it. I'm very excited to try the other colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. I do want to try out those glosses. So obviously I don't have anything on my lips right now. I'm gonna line my lips real quick. Also, don't mind, my nose is peeling. I think I'm like maybe over exfoliating my skin. Go ahead and follow my skin journey if you want. But I'm gonna go in with the Dulce lip liner by Alamar Cosmetics. Okay, and I'm also gonna use by ColourPop. It's the Kathleen Lights collab. It's the lipstick in the color What's Your Sign. I don't know if it's still available. Is that a little light? That's a little light. I'm gonna fill it in a little bit more with the lip liner and then go over with that lipstick. I'm loving all the warm tones. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with the Glacier Luxe Gloss. I have not used this So I don't know what the formula is like, but we can go ahead and see. This is just like a clear, sparkly gloss. And then Wildflower, I think it's called, is like a little peachy pink gloss. And both do have like little shimmer flecks in there. Wildflower is right there. I don't know if you can tell if the lighting's catching it, but it's like just a very subtle peachy pink and basically just like a nice clear shimmery sparkly gloss. So there, yeah, you can see it a little bit better there. Very pretty. They smell really good. I do feel like I have to go in a few times to get enough product. Very, very nice. The lighting's a little weird, so please excuse that. It's like almost pitch black outside. Doesn't feel sticky, but maybe it's, ooh. So I feel like the gloss is doing a little bit of that stringy thing. Maybe I actually did put too much. So maybe I didn't need to like reapply or like re-dip that many times. Yeah, I just wiped a little bit of that excess off and we're good. All right, so this is the look that I came up with. I really don't think the camera's doing it justice, but this is like so sparkly in like the classiest way. It's not like child glitter or anything like that. It's like so much sparkliness going on, but it's still like elegant looking. We love that. Okay. All right. Let me back up and gather my thoughts. All right. So honestly, you guys, like I said before, she has been putting this out there for the longest time, wanting to collab with ColourPop, and it finally came true. She's finally pregnant. So it's just like a little bit of joy in the world right now. Like how wonderful is that? I'm so happy for her. The tones of everything is just so earthy and rich and warm and just like cozy feeling. So I'm so happy for her. I absolutely love the things that I've tried so far. I cannot wait to play a little bit more with the actual palette, the eyeliners, everything. The Super Shock shadows, like, are you kidding me? So pretty. So pretty. So I'm so happy that I got the entire collection, honestly, because sometimes I get collections, I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get collections of like collabs just because I'm like, I really like the person doing it, or I kind of get like caught up in the moment and I get the whole collection. I'm like, well, you know, not really gonna use that shade, so I don't know when I got it. But honestly, this is a collab that I got the entire collection because I really, honestly, truly wanted every single thing in this collection. And I 100% know I'm going to use every single thing in this collection. So I believe that it is currently sold out, but just today I did see something online that there is going to be a restock on, I believe, December 11th. If you were unsure about getting this, whether it was some of the things or all of the things in the collection, honestly, I highly encourage you to go out and get it if it's something that you want, if you're able to. It's just phenomenal. I'm putting that out there. And if you weren't able to get it in the first round, there is going to be a restock from my understanding. So put that in your calendar and get it because I don't think you'll be disappointed. Just my opinion, but that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications and stay happy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.